Good evening. Tell me something. I hear so the rehearsal for the wedding are keeping.
Yes, and you're a friend of the family?
Actually, I am the giveaway father.
Oh, so you're a king?
Yeah.
I've heard some good things about you, man. I'm Carlton Wallace.
Oh, so you are Carlton. Well, I have heard some not so good things about you. But here, guess we'll talk. No.
So who is that? Our uncle?
I think him same name King. King is supposed to be Jenny's giveaway father.
So is 2 giveaway father she 1/2?
Because she's that special to us. Greetings, everyone. So, wait, am I early for the rehearsal?
Yes it is. But we haven't started yet, sir.
Well, I'll just wait on the outside and surprise my daughter. Wait, you must be the groom-to-be. George Connolly, aka 1K. Congratulations.
Wonder if she invites Stoneface too.
What? Oh, what you just said? Stone face? Dear Lord. And you wanted me to make this a public wedding? Listen, I'll be in the car with all of this is over.
Yes, and me a bring feel, cause you could do it. So my people, I could get everything.
Good evening.
Yes? Can I help you?
Is this where the rehearsal for the wedding keeping? I'm the photographer.
This is a private wedding. We didn't hire any photographer. Maybe you're in the wrong place.
Oh, sorry about that. Come, Chris.
Young lady, what's your name?
It's Crystal.
What's your mother's name?
Excuse me, but why?
I'm sorry. It's just that you look like somebody I knew. Maybe a younger version.
Oh, okay.
Tell me, are you in the church?
Kinda. Not so much.
A beautiful young lady like you? You need to give your life to the Lord. You know, we have a lovely youth program. Maybe you should consider it.
Is this a church?
It's a multi-purpose space.
I see.
Yeah.
Wanna do dancing here?
Oh yes. But the Christian music, not the dancehall thing.
Sounds good. I think about it still.
And no cameras are allowed inside here, okay?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just looking at some photos that I got before.
Okay. Call this number tomorrow. Speak to Mr. Gladstone Berry. He's our pastor. And he'll give you all the information you need.
Okay. Thank you.
I'm always seeking to empower young females.